everybody, Fincher here. So the lawnmower, got the tools, backpack full of beer. Let's get it. I mean, it's gonna be loud, but this is as slow as I can go. So that's how I'm gonna make the video. Check out that case tractor, the disc on it. They just filled, they're about to. Oh shit. Gotta stay focused. Anyway, yeah, it's a nice view, nice day. It's a really nice day, it feels great. I'm sorry about the noise. This is as slow as I can go with the, but yeah, you get it. Anyway, about to go down here to the woods. I'm gonna slow down, gonna go down here to the woods. Go slow. Go slow so I don't get bumpy. Homeboy Leroy did some dirt work with the mini excavator. Can't tell, but yeah, there it is. Alright, I'm down here. Here. Alright. Gonna turn this shit off. Alright, sorry about all that noise. But I mean, what can you do when you're on a lawnmower with, let's see. I don't know, it's a Kawasaki though. It's a Hustler. I don't know what year it is, but I'm gonna take a piss right now. Yeah, I'm hardcore. Taking a piss. Because I'm drunk. I'm drunk and I'm riding a lawnmower. Call the fucking cops. Call them, I don't care. God damn. That's my neighbor. That's my uncle. My uncle. He fucking, probably fucking drinks fucking 30 beers a day. Well, but that ain't me. I don't do that shit. He's fucking sad. Anyway, and the trails are nice and fucking, mowed. They're already mowed by homeboy Leroy. Yeah, they're great. Like, I wish I had a GoPro so I can make a longer video, show you, but they're great. Farmers came and oh shit, they took out the beaver dam that was literally right there. Beavers worked on it for like a year, but they got it cleared out. I'm here to work on my little spot, I guess, and then work on some bike tracks. Oh shit, I almost fell. Yeah, this is my new spot. That's where the beaver dam was, like right there. And that's why I had this spot with the tire tire fucking chair and all that. Anyway, that's it. That's it for now. I gotta end this video. The storage is running out, so I gotta go. I'll be making another video soon. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you're cool. Anyways, peace out.